You're looking at the all-new 2025 Lexus LX 700h, the boldest statement yet from Toyota's luxury division. This isn't just an SUV, it's a hybrid-powered titan of performance, elegance, and capability wrapped in one stunning package. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the LX 700h commands respect. The bold spindle grille, now sharper and more aggressive than ever, dominates the front fascia. Paired with sleek, adaptive, triple LED headlights and muscular fenders. This is a vehicle that doesn't just turn heads, it stops traffic. Step around to the side and you'll notice the power-folding, auto-dimming mirrors, available 22-inch forged alloy wheels, and the signature Lexus L-shaped LED daytime running lights that stretch across the body like a glowing badge of honor. It's not just big, it's beautifully sculpted, blending luxury with ruggedness in perfect harmony. Inside, the LX 700h sets a new standard for refinement. Open the door and you're greeted by handcrafted semi-aniline leather upholstery, open-pore wood trim, and ambient lighting that transforms the cabin into a sanctuary of comfort. The driver-focused cockpit features a 12.3-inch touchscreen with Lexus interface, offering seamless smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, all controlled with intuitive voice commands or the responsive touchpad below. But what truly sets this interior apart is space. Not just physical roominess, but intelligent design. With seating for up to 8 in some configurations, every passenger enjoys class-leading legroom, heated and ventilated rear seats, and even a refrigerated center console for those long journeys where luxury never takes a back seat. Under the hood, the LX 700h redefines expectations with its hybrid V6 powertrain, combining a 3.5-liter twin turbo V6 with an electric motor for a total output of 424 horsepower. That means 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just over 6 seconds, delivering SUV-level strength with hybrid-level efficiency. And yes, it can tow up to 6,000 pounds, making it as capable off-road as it is refined on city streets. Thanks to adaptive variable suspension, four-wheel steering, and kinetic dynamic suspension system, the ride remains composed whether you're carving mountain roads or cruising down the highway. What makes the LX 700h even more special is the level of personalization. Choose from exclusive interior color combinations, premium audio systems from Mark Levinson, and even a reinforced crawl control system for serious off-roaders. This is more than just a luxury SUV. It's a testament to innovation, craftsmanship, and the future of high-end driving. If you're in the market for a vehicle that blends unmatched luxury, hybrid efficiency, and raw performance, the 2025 Lexus LX 700h deserves your attention. Hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you take the LX 700h over traditional luxury SUVs like the Range Rover or BMW X7? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to check if your local dealership has one in stock, because once you see it in person, there's no turning back.